Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar again has not been able to break structure. Even if you go way back here, this is all lower highs. Right here, it tried to break structure but instantly rejected it. This is all lower highs. This is all lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So there's definitely not been a break of structure. There's been no reason whatsoever to think that there's any reason to start looking for longs in a big way. If we go down to the daily time frame, I still think this is at least going to go down and take out the lower wave A over here. Now we are kind of at the 78%, and that definitely is an area of support and resistance normally. So maybe it will pull back there, maybe it will not pull back there. It could easily just continue to drift down, which is why I am only looking for shorts in a downtrend on the 1 hour time frame range. Now, if you are a sort of time frame trader and this does go up, if it does give you a nice clear break of structure, then you see a pullback, then you could definitely justify going long on the pullback. Just keep in mind that anything you see to the upside could easily just be a correction to the last wave down where I have my Fibonacci retracement. So if it does go up, which I have no idea if it will, it could possibly just keep going down, which is why I'm only looking for shorts. But if it does go up and then it makes a three-way pullback like an ABC to a Fibonacci retracement level, then makes an engulfing move to the downside, that potentially would make for a really good shorting opportunity, potentially for the continuation of the daily time frame downtrend. And like I always say, the trend is your friend, and we are in a very strong downtrend on the higher time frames, which is why, for me, I am looking for shorts in a downtrend only. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.